Hello everyone, I'm Masoud Bakhtiyari, a structural engineer. In the new course of Hand ETABS on Revit training, a training book has also been added to the training collection. The name of the book is Insight Handbook. The contents of the video are available in full in the book. You can visit this book on my Patreon channel at the following address and become a member and then download it for free at no cost. One of the requirements in concrete slab design is to control and select the minimum required depths. As you can see, for the simple support and simple slab, this value is limited to 1/20 of the length of the span. Also, ACI 318 has provided shear coefficient and moment coefficient to obtain moment bending stress and shear stresses for the analysis of continuous concrete slab. As you can see, the value of the bending moment and the shear force depend on the coefficient load or load factor and the length of the adjacent span. Positive and negative bending moments are provided separately. In general, there are two types of one-way slab. The first is that the slab directly transfers the load to the main or girder beams. And in the second type, which is also called ribbon slab, the slab transfers the load to the secondary beams and then the secondary beams transfer the load to the main beams, such as waffle slab. At this stage, we want to raise a problem and solve this problem as an example. The problem includes the analysis and design of a one-way slab. First, we draw a slab and then write its specifications. Then we specify the length. For example, 50 and 20 are good choices to start with them, which may be changed later to simplify this number better. For a better understanding, we draw the beams and columns on which the slab is supported on them. And then we show the load transfer flow. Well, here I have defined the flow of load transfer. For example, if we put a heavy load omega on the slab, I will now draw the path of load transfer for you, how it will enter the beam. It's so amazing. We have shown a better understanding of a simple beam and the Q load transferred from the slab. And also we have showed it for you the route of the strips and the width of the section that should be designed. Therefore, in order to analyze and design a concrete slab, we first separate 1 foot from it and analyze and design it. At this time, the concept of the load chain was complete. Now we start loading, analysis of the slab, and design of the slab.